Hey guys, welcome back. Again, my name is Jessica Espinal. I'm currently interning at a substance abuse clinic. It is a medicated assisted treatment clinic that also provides counseling services to their patients. They provide three different type of medications for opioid use disorder. So they provide Subutex, Suboxone, and Methadone. So one thing I have been enjoying at my job is holding group sessions. So I've been able to hold a few group sessions while being shadowed by a counselor or by my field instructor. One of the group sessions that I've held that I feel like has been pretty fun and has given me a lot of knowledge is My Body and Me. So it's a group session that talks about what healthy foods our patients can kind of improvise and eat better. It talks about ways to quit smoking, ways to quit drinking, and like ways to quit just using the opioids that they've been using for some of them several years. I've found that some groups are a little challenging because sometimes there's patients that will break down and get upset, and patients learn a lot from each other and from counselors and their advice. One of the challenges that I've faced during my field experiences so far is writing interpretive summaries. So interpretive summaries are pretty much it's like a synopsis summary about our patients and our clients. Since I don't get to work directly just one on one with one client, um, I am foreshadowed by my field instructor. So she gives me the biopsychosocial. I'm able to read through it, and then I have to write an interpretive summary based on the biopsychosocial and based on the client's history, pretty much. I feel like I've learned a lot throughout my field experience, and I hope to learn a lot more and see what you guys can kind of help me with any suggestions. All right. Bye.